Welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Chef Aileen and this is Little Chef Ian.
Little Chef Aileen.
Little Chef Ian.
Little Chef Aileen.
Little Chef Ian.
Little Chef Aileen.
So today we're gonna be making
be making a strawberry cheesecake cake.
Cake?
It's strawberry. It's a
Cheesecake.
strawberry cake and it's a cheesecake cake.
Yeah. So we're making it for a very special person. And we're gonna make it in different videos because it's long. We're gonna need to make our fondant, our cheesecake,
Our filling, our
filling,
gelatin
our
balloons.
gelatin balloons, layering our cake, frosting a cake, making the fondant decoration.
Putting everything together.
Yes.
And that's all.
Yes. So now the kitchen rules. Make sure you wash your hands, your work areas, cleaning, and have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself, and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is...
Hello, Little Chef Aileen.
What? Let's try that again. The most important rule of the kitchen is...
Set the first
BAM! So now, let's get cooking! So these are the ingredients. We're gonna need Himalayan pink salt, pink flavoring, and pink flavoring, pink coloring.
You can use whatever color you want.
We're gonna need strawberry flavoring.
We're gonna need one. When you put it in your...
Not in there. When you put your cake in the oven, the alcohol is gonna evaporate, so you're just gonna have the taste, which is really good.
Which is all you want.
And then we're gonna get our we're gonna separate our egg yolks from the egg whites. We have 6 eggs.
And then we're gonna need oil. We're gonna need baking powder. We're gonna need pancake mix, and we're gonna need sugar. Okay, so we're already done with our eggs. Now we're just gonna put our baking powder in our pancake mix.
So we're ready to start doing our egg whites.
You can turn it to you. There you go.
I can see, I can tell.
Yeah. Okay, so what are we waiting for there?
So we wanna wait for it to get a peak so we could put our salt and then our egg yolks. So we're gonna put our egg yolks. So I mean our salt, our egg yolks.
It's been 5 minutes at speed 6, so now we're gonna put the egg yolks.
Can I see how it looks?
Yes.
Nice.
It
Okay.
looks so fluffy.
Slowly. Slowly. You see how nice and fluffy it looks? Okay. So what do we have to add next?
Now we're gonna put the flour.
Okay. You have to lower your speed.
Oh, it's just gonna fly everyone.
Exactly. Speed 2 so you can add your flour.
So we're gonna make these together, all the liquids. We're gonna mix.
Whoa, it's sticking the butter like a palita. How happens when we put the vanilla?
Same thing.
Whoa, which one's bigger?
So now we're gonna add food coloring.
Isn't that a lot of food coloring?
And I'm just gonna.
That's it. Okay, just leave it like that and let's mix everything together and see what color it turns
Oh
out.
right.
What? It's stuck in the bubble.
Okay. So now we'll arrange it.
Slowly. So we need to get our baking pans ready.
Oh, let's get them.
So we have to measure our
Cake mix.
cake mix so we can put the equal amount in both of our pans.
And if it's the 4 cups, you can put 2 in each. If it's not, you have to put 1 in each because then one's gonna get more than the other one.
Yep.
Exactly.
And
Okay.
you wanna be checking them.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees for
15, 20 minutes. You
Yeah.
have to check on it. You gotta stop.
check.
Stop. Check.
Check.
Clean with your finger a little bit. Clean it with your finger.
Oh, so we just need it to get down 1 more.
No, it needs to get a 2 cup.
Ooh.
It's at 3 cups.
So you need 1 more cup.
Keep pouring. That's good. I think.
Clean it again.
Okay.
Nice.
Let's see. Is it the
Let it sit.
Oh, it's almost done.
Just put in the.
So you see all of those bubbles? You just want to go like this so all the bubbles can pop.
So they pop.
I still got 1.
Okay.
And they all popped. So we finished with our cakes. They're done. And now we're gonna show you how to cut it.
And look at how fluffy it is. It's like about to boing boing. So you want to be careful because you just want it to cut off the top.
Just keep cutting. Hold it really good again.
Nice.
Okay.
So show
Yeah.
me. Ooh, that's a beautiful pink color.
Now, este es mío.
Just taste it. Let's just taste it.
Oh, so good.
Mmm.
It's so fluffy.
Okay, can we just save it? Okay, so now let's do the filling, okay?
Yes. So these are the ingredients for our strawberry jam.
We're gonna need strawberries, of course. Sugar. This is what we're gonna mix in the stove, and these are what we're gonna put together.
What is it, Ian?
This is lime juice, and this is baking powder.
Cornstarch.
Cornstarch. So we're just gonna put.
You
these
need a
together.
whisk so we can do
I'm
it together.
prepared.
Yes.
Why do you always have to?
And as you know, I don't like to add that much sugar. Same thing, if you want to add more sugar to your cake, welcome to do it. And this is how much sugar we're adding to our
Don't mix me any.
strawberry
can't with your-
filling.
Oh, well, it's still one in here. Wait,
Okay, so let's go do it.
that was quick.
Okay, so we're gonna show them how to do it.
Let's get to it.
You can just turn it around and, okay. Hold your pot. Muy bien, ahora ¿qué tienes que hacer?
Put the sugar.
You gotta wait for a little.
Ooh.
When you move this, just go like this
Okay.
and make sure you don't.
Okay.
I think you can add your sugar now.
The sugar.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait. I'm gonna put that over there.
Lime juice and your cornstarch. You're gonna have to get your spoon because all the cornstarch is in the bottom.
So we're gonna let it simmer for 5 minutes. So
And you can do the same for every single fruit.
You can use blueberries,
Raspberries.
yeah.
We do the same for every single fruit.
and it tastes amazing as jam.
Or you can even add chia seeds and it tastes really good. Okay, so let's just let it simmer for 5 minutes.
Yep.
Medium heat.
So it's already done, so we have to make sure we pour it still hot on our cake so it can get,
A very moist cake.
yes,
Look, it's very soft, and that's what you want.
soft and spongy.
I
Like
want
a
to eat it
squishy?
already. Yes. Okay, so what is the strawberry gonna do to your cake?
It's gonna keep it moist.
Moistened. That's what you want.
Okay.
So we're gonna poke a hole with the
Just
fork.
make some holes in your cake and then we're gonna pour the strawberry. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 cup at a time.
a cup at a time.
I think you need more holes, Aileen.
More?
Be careful, Ian. Take your time around your cake.
Around it?
Well, all over your cake.
Oh, so
Be careful, it's hot. Okay, go poke Ian's cake because he didn't do it and he's already pouring the strawberries.
No, I'm just getting you ready for
So
it.
we didn't smash our strawberries because we want the big pieces of strawberry in the cake.
that's how we like it.
Okay, so, okay, you can pour it in Eileen's and Aileen can do the other one, it's fine. In the middle, and then we can spread it with our spatula. Spread it to the other side. And when you pour, make sure you pour right in the middle because all that juice, you want it to be just everywhere on the cake.
Not
Good
just
job,
in
Ian.
one spot.
Make sure you have strawberries all over. Okay, now just go, Ian. Let Aileen do that one, Ian.
Okay. I know. I was just getting ready for Eileen's.
My turn.
She's excited.
Yes, I am.
Can't wait to eat it. Do you think they're gonna like it?
I hope they do.
Pour it right in the middle.
Right in the middle.
Nice.
Oh.
It's okay, come on, get the
Okay, come on,
spatula.
my turn, Ian.
Push.
Squiggly. Squiggly. I'll just put that there.
Okay, so let's just spread our strawberries. Slowly because it's hot, remember?
They look so good. Look at this one. It already kind of cool.
Okay, so now we're gonna let it cool down. We're gonna cover it with foil paper and put them in the fridge for at least 3 hours for our cake to actually absorb all the fluids
strawberry.
from the strawberries.
This one kind of looks like it kind of already absorbed it.
We gotta let it cool down, buddy. Okay, so we're just gonna let it cool down, okay?
Bye. So we're gonna try it. This is amazing. What?
Is it good?
Yes, it's amazing. The jam is just.
This one's mine. Oh my god, a strawberry.
How about me? Are you glad that you're able to eat regular flour and things, Aileen?
Amazing. So amazing that I'm already done. So, yeah.